The elevator at the U.S. Steel Tower. Going to 62. Car G.
If you want to look through this window, this is the last trip, and then we'll go to that one.
Alright, so I will get the parking elevators. Whoa!
There goes the first floor.
Express zone? Wow, these are fast.
What are the buildings down in DC? Like a
These go 1,500 feet per minute. That's the old indicator.
all of the inside the elevator shafts had lights throughout the entire elevator shaft. So if you got out and you look down or you look up, you can look through the whole elevator. You can see everywhere on the whole elevator shaft just by looking through the
Up, ooh,
It
tops.
wasn't black like most of them are dark. These were all highly lit.
Here we are, 62.
Really weird.
Alright, you want me to do the voice? My viewers want to hear this. My viewers want to hear the voice.
Your viewers want to watch elevator videos, and that's not going to happen if you mess around.
Alright, back to G.
I don't know what my eye the first time, you know.
Here we
I must have
go.
looked down and
My
realized
first
all the
Schindler
lights are on.
content.
And you look around like, you know, it said 3 elevator bank, you can look all the way over and see the other elevators going up and down the shaft.
These things are just as fast as Skyrocket ride.
For security, I guess.
Express zone. Beautiful cab. These are, I believe, either PTL or EPCO, but these are California coded. Put this onto the microphone. There's your speaker for the voice. Love the lanes in here. There goes the voice. Wow, my ears are popping. Since I might get busted here, I'll end it once the door opened completely. And that's